Some people, this sounds a little tricky to them. Some people try to hold the key in place. I used to hold the key in place thinking that it was going to fall out and everything was going to get messed up. But it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is take the key that came with the lock. Always turn it to where my reset hole is up to the top. So there's a little tiny hole there. This little brass key goes in that. When you push in, you'll hear a click. When that pushes in, it's not much of a click, but it's a tiny click. Pull the rekey tool out. And what this is doing is lifting the tumblers up. So all the tumblers are pushed up now. Pull the key that came with the lock out. Insert the key that you want to use. Once that key is in, you turn the lock. And that's all there is to key in the new lock. So you don't have to try to leave this in and get both keys in at the same time. When these first came out, I started doing that. I was wrong. So I fixed my ways, and that's the key that came with the lock. It doesn't work anymore. So that's all it is to setting up a Kwikset 914 lock. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please put them below. I'm going to do some other smaller videos on how to program, how to create codes, how to delete codes, and basically probably do one just on the dip switch settings on it. It'll take me a few days to get those uploaded, but again, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.